My name is Elaine Vickers and this is my Cancer Basics video series. In this video, I will explore the types of cells found inside tumours. It goes without saying that tumours contain cancer cells, but you might be surprised to know that cancer cells aren't necessarily the most common cell type. Instead, other types of cell can dominate the environment. One set of cells you're definitely going to find are the cells that make up blood vessels. These are endothelial cells and pericytes. Sometimes cancer cells will trigger new blood vessels to form by a process we call angiogenesis, but often they use whatever blood vessels were there before, called co-option. There are also whatever cells were present before the cancer cells appeared. These are often normal structural cells like fibroblasts and adipocytes. And then there are lots and lots and lots of white blood cells. I'll start with dendritic cells and macrophages. Dendritic cells are our body's patrolmen. They constantly enter new environments, pick up debris, process that debris and take it to nearby lymph nodes where they show it to other white blood cells. Macrophages are the jack of all trades of our immune system. They clear out debris, they kill damaged cells, they destroy infections, they recruit and activate other types of white blood cells, and they generally do a bit of everything and they do it all extremely well. T cells often get a lot of attention because they're the type of white blood cell best able to specifically and powerfully kill cancer cells, and therefore they're the target of most forms of cancer immunotherapy. Natural killer or NK cells can also kill cancer cells and any cells showing signs of stress or infection. Regulatory T cells or Tregs and myeloid-derived suppressor cells, MDSCs, are interlopers into tumours. Tregs are normally found in the lining of our gut and sites of infection where they dampen down immune responses. The normal function of MDSCs, if there is one, is unknown. As well as cells, the tumour microenvironment also contains a network of fibrous proteins, collectively called the extracellular matrix. And there's also a myriad of chemicals and small proteins that cells are using to communicate with one another. White blood cells in particular produce an enormous range of signals. Roughly speaking, you can split the white blood cells inside tumours into good guys and bad guys. The good guys are cancer killing, the bad guys support and protect cancer cells. The good guys include the dendritic cells, many types of T cell, the NK cells, and generally speaking also the B cells. With macrophages, it can go either way. Sometimes they kill cancer cells, sometimes they protect them. The same goes for neutrophils and mast cells. It all depends on what signals they've received and how long they've spent inside the tumour. MDSCs and Tregs, they're uniformly bad as they actively suppress any T cells that try to kill cancer cells. To recap, tumours are highly complex environments that contain lots of different types of cells. As well as cancer cells, they also contain structural cells like fibroblasts and adipocytes, but some of the most important and influential cells inside tumours are the white blood cells. Some of them, like T cells and NK cells, are trying to kill cancer cells, but with others, like macrophages, it depends on the circumstances. Yet others, the MDSCs and the Tregs, are uniformly bad and they help and protect cancer cells.